What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike. We're going to be taking a look at this information we just got from Russ and whether this is possible or not. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for daily cryptocurrency content. We are on our way to 3,000 subscribers, so make sure you click that subscribe button down below. Now, Russ in the Telegram at our current burn rate and calculating the potential hyperburn factors with the other tokens we are bringing in partnerships with, are creating potential CEXs and numerous other catalysts. I'd venture to say we could double our previous ATH by end of year and reach a $30 billion market cap. That's conservative in my opinion. Now, here's the thing. Is this kind of Russ being Russ and talking nonsense, or is this possible? Well, look, here is my view on this. So if we take Saitama's current price of 80127 and Cardano's market cap, which is nearly 30 billion, we're going to have to 20x my current position to 6026. So quite a substantial move forward. Now, that is not out of the realms of possibility. We know at all-time high level, if we take a look here on the chart, all-time high level, we were up in the 1681s and we'd burned a zero. So it's not out of the realms of possibility. Is it going to need a lot of catalysts? Absolutely. Is it going to need a really stable app? Is it? Absolutely. Is it going to need some volume going through that and more tokens? And I still stand by the fact I think they need to get some kind of core things like Ethereum that basically everyone in DeFi uses to trade on the Ethereum ERC20 network. So I do think that that would be a benefit. But is it out of the realms of possibility? No. So you could argue and say right now, given Saitama's current price and current trend, $30 billion market cap sounds complete nonsense. But we know a lot happens over the course of a year in crypto. Can this 20x from its current position? Quite possibly, if everything falls in place for Saitama. Now, let's talk about what they've got and what they've got kind of working for them right now. Well, look, we had the first Eagle FC fight event. And actually, Saitama was everywhere on this. They were, sponsored by Saitama. Loads of the video footage had Saitama logo on it. All the T-shirts, loads of the fighters had it. It was everywhere, which I actually did another video saying that I think it was a really good move. Again, the link is how do you get people to go and then buy Saitama? That's the big challenge. Yes, it gets the name out. Yes, it gets the brand out. But how do people associate Saitama with the cryptocurrency market? It's not big enough right now. Everyone heard of Shiba Inu. It's got over 1 million holders. Everybody's heard of Shiba. It was in the news everywhere. Saitama's just a little bit kind of not there right now. It's definitely steps in the right direction, but it's not quite there. And then equally, the whole EU Saitama team going to be looking fresh this week. So some Under Armour T-shirts, no expense spared with some of those T-shirts, Russ, but they're clearly going to be wearing these in Dubai, which I kind of like. It's a bit more business sense. I do find the hoodies, the big gold hoodies, a little bit tacky, if I'm totally honest. But kind of this feels fresh. I'm hoping we're going to see some stuff from the Crypto Dubai Expo. And I do think this is an opportunity and probably a big one for Saitama to really start to dig their heels in, bring some use case to the market and really start to make things happen with this project. We've heard 20,000 transactions on Saitamask. Feels better, feels stable. When you come into Twitter, doesn't feel like the world is ending around Saitamask. It certainly feels more stable. It needs to get Sata Realty out of it, more so that they can then deliver on another deadline and deliver a project going on to Saitamask. I think that's still yet to be seen. Obviously, we've seen the other tokens go on there, but Sata Realty has already had one failed launch. It's going to be interesting to get that onto the platform. And then again, they can go out there into this. I think it's about 10,000 booths, I think I saw a number quoted. There's going to be lots of people out there, lots of opportunity to network, get the brand out and start to make things happen for Saitama. So pretty exciting. When we do look at the market, we are at the 1273s, down just 1%. It has had a big sale in the last kind of 5 minutes just before I started recording this video, but $12 million in liquidity. And again, a lot of that will be moved over to Saitamask. We know that's the ambition. 2.2 million daily volume is about 1 million lower. But again, is that people migrating over to Saitamask? Quite possibly. And the hold account continues to grow. Now, what we're going to see, hopefully, the Crypto Dubai Expo lands in 4 days. We're going to see some nice price movement for not just Saitama, but the market in general. I think we saw the feed fear and greed index earlier. We know that there was a bit of a challenge. We're down in the 22s, but look, certainly in DeFi, things can change and they can change quite quickly. So hopefully we're going to see some definite price movement. Again, just kind of look at that. We had a 21 ETH sell of Saitama, which is a fair chunk, 4.3 trillion tokens. But actually, overall, it feels like there's a positive movement into the space. I've always said this, and I said it on most videos, it's going to be clunky, it's going to be difficult. We're going to need to really rely on a solid app, lots of volume, and some really good tokens. We know Dojo Swap is onboarding lots of interesting tokens that are absolutely going to the moon right now. Saitama needs to do the same. Lucky Roo, is that going to be the one? Don't know, we're going to have to see. I've got a video coming out on that very soon. But let me know in the comments down below what you think. Is Dubai going to be the big thing for Saitama? What do you think of Russ's $30 billion market cap prediction? And I'll see you guys in the next video.